Hello everyone. I'm back with another video. In this video, we'll discuss how to record your screen on Ubuntu 24.04. So, let's get started. To record your screen on Ubuntu, you don't need any third-party tools. Ubuntu 24.04 comes with a built-in feature that allows you to record your screen and take screenshots easily. Here's how you can do it. Open the Applications menu by clicking on the Applications button. In the search bar, type Screenshot. You'll see the Screenshot tool. Click on it. Now, you'll have access to tools that let you either take a screenshot or record your screen. To take a screenshot, click on the camera icon. You'll get several options for what you want to capture. Selection allows you to select a specific area of the screen by dragging your mouse. Screen captures the entire screen. Window captures a specific window. Once you've made your selection, click the Capture button. To access the captured screenshot, go to the Files folder. Open the Pictures folder and then the folder Screenshots. You will find your screenshot there. To record your screen, go back to the Screenshot tool. Instead of selecting the camera icon, click the record icon. Choose the area you want to record, whether it's the full screen, a specific window, or a custom selection. Click the record button, and Ubuntu will start recording. When you're done recording, click the stop button. To find your recorded video, open the Files app. Navigate to the Videos folder. Open the Screencasts folder, where your recorded videos will be saved. And that's it. This is how you can record your screen on Ubuntu 24.04 using its built-in feature. If you find this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more videos.